Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tiny little decorative coin purse pouch, whatever, with a snap. It's really cute and a lining, and it's going to be really fun and kawaii, so stick around and enjoy the video. So as I started to begin to sew, no puns intended, I realized all my pins were outside of my pin cushion, so here's a time lapse of me putting them all back in. So the materials you'll need for this project is 2 pieces of fabric, one for the inside and one for the outside, pins, some scissors, and I almost forgot, a button snap or Velcro. So yeah, let's get started. So then you will want to go ahead and pin your fabric wrong sides facing out so you can begin to sew. That was the best recording I've ever done. Yes, I'm going to keep this in the video. Okay, just pin the fabric, kids, and then you'll begin to sew. And then while you're pinning, make sure you leave a hole for when you turn your fabric inside out before you begin sewing. And now try to turn it inside out the best you can. Here I am struggling in a really bad camera angle. But yeah, turn it inside out so it looks nice. Yeah. So now that you have your fabric inside out, you're going to sew up the little hole by folding the edges on the inside, if that makes sense. You know what I mean. Yeah. And now sew. Then after you've done that, you're going to want to fold your bag with the inside sticking out, pin it, and sew along those lines. Then, after you've sewed that, you want to turn your little bag inside out again, but then it'll be the right side out, I guess. And then pin down the sides if you wish, and you can sew them. And now, sew your little snap on. I hand stitched it on. Yeah, just put on the snap or Velcro, whatever you're using to close the teeny tiny bag. You can even add little buttons or pins. And this is your finished project. It's a little wonky, but I still really like it, so. Added little buttons, super cute, super kawaii. Tell me in the comments if you like the crafting videos. And yeah. We'll see you guys in my next video, and until then, I love you beautiful kawaii angels. Hope you're having a happy Saturday, and yeah, bye! Remember to comment, like, and subscribe.